question we need to identify out of zinc and tin which metal coating is better to protect iron objects. Out of zinc and tin, zinc is generally considered better than tin for protecting iron because zinc offers sacrificial protection to iron through a process known as galvanization. Zinc is more reactive or less noble than iron, means it has a lower electrode potential and will corrode preferentially when in contact with iron. When zinc is coated on iron, or we can say that is galvanized iron, the zinc corrodes first, forming a protective layer of zinc oxide or zinc carbonate which prevents further rusting of the iron underneath. Even if the zinc coating is scratched or damaged, the sacrificial nature of zinc continues to protect the exposed iron areas by corroding itself. This self-healing effect helps to maintain protection even in the event of minor damage. Tin, however, doesn't provide this galvanic protection. Once tin plating is damaged, the underlying iron is exposed and prone to corrosion.